What do you like?
I like chocolate.
Chocolate?
Chocolate.
Oh, where's the chocolate?
Yay!
No, it's here.
Yay!
Open it. Where is it?
Chocolate.
Oh, chocolate.
No more chocolate.
No more?
Chocolate.
Where, here?
Yeah?
It's crackers.
I like cookie.
Okay. No, it's not crackers. It's bread.
I like bread.
Are you hungry?
I like bread.
You want oatmeal cookies?
I like cookie.
Here are oatmeal cookies.
No.
You don't like this one?
Cookie.
Not that. I help you up. Oh! Are you okay? What's wrong?